doing, lady? Oh my God. Oh my God. Jesus Christ.
Lightning has to be before the park's shut down, but over here in Dallas, whoa! What the hell was, oh God, that person just slammed right into the back of that truck. I heard boom, I thought it was lightning. That, wow. The guy next to me in the truck goes, whoa, what the heck was that?
What is this person doing? The f was that?
How much do we love
What is this
being
person doing?
It's in our name.
Oh my God.
WJRZ. Get it? Jersey. Jersey. Yeah, you get it.
What is he doing? Jesus Christ.
Oh my God, did you see that?
You know, there are a lot of courteous people still on the road here in Texas. I don't know if you even saw that. What's this? Now, say, take this guy. He is the typical douche canoe that drives on the Texas road. And you can tell by the way the back end of his piece is busted up. That's a douche canoe who's in so much of a rush to get to the vehicle in front of me that they had to pass me almost on the cement wall in the breakdown lane on the end of a Mixmaster. That's a douche canoe. And no one's letting him in now. He's going to get pissed. Look at him. He's frustrated now. No one's letting him in. Look at that. Look at him. They're blocking him. He's going to have to slow down. Look at him. Look at this guy. A total douche canoe. I mean, look at that. Guys, can you see this? This is what I'm talking about. This kind of road rage. Look at this. This guy is a douchebag. Oh, yeah, you see that? And he flipped him off.